Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Command Prompt and getting to the folder that contains the file. Once done, run cmd as administrator only when needed. Make sure you can list files with dir so you don't delete the wrong thing. Use cd followed by the folder path. If the path has spaces, put it in quotes. You do this to ensure the next delete command runs in the correct location and affects only the intended files. Now you choose the proper command, del for files and rmdir for folders. Once you understand the difference, use wildcards such as asterisk. TMP to remove multiple files quickly, but pause to verify with dir first. When deleting folders, use rmdir/s/q to remove the tree quietly. Add /f to force read-only file removal. If a path contains spaces, remember to quote it. These options change behavior, so make sure you type the exact target before pressing enter. Finish by verifying the result. Run dir to confirm the file or folder is gone. Once done, if you hit access denied errors, run command prompt as administrator or clear the read-only attribute with a trib-r before retrying. Permissions often block deletion. Make sure to rely on backups for recovery because del does not move files to the recycle bin, it removes them permanently. If you still have problems, stop and check the exact path and spelling to avoid irreversible mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.